Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your website to Google Analytics account. Adding your website to Google Analytics account, that will give you the opportunity to view the performance of your website. You can view the traffic, where the traffic is coming from, and so on and so forth. So let's get down to it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Google Analytics account right here. Then you want to scroll down to admin. So let's click admin. So you want to create account. Yeah. So this window now, let's add the name of our new account here. Let's say now you can tick here if you want Google to be sending you a message all the time about their product and you want to help them improve their stuff. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click next. The name again. You can change this reporting time zone if you like. Maybe if you are in US, you can change it to US. If you are in United Kingdom, you can leave it as. So I'm just going to leave it like that. You can change the currency to your preference here. So let's go down to show more advanced. So the show more advanced will give you opportunity to also create a universal analytics property. Just to let you know, the universal property will no longer be available. So you just make sure that you know that. So if you want to add it, you can add it here. So add your website here. Let's add our website. That's our website here. So you want to create both a Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics property. So let's go. Next. You want to select a website it's about fitness, beauty and fitness. Yeah. Beauty of you. Just one here. Okay, how do you intend to use analytics? Just want to measure our customer engagement and all that. So let's create. So now you want to accept this. And scroll down, accept. So now our property has been created. This is what we are going to be using for your website. You can use this, or if you like, you want to manually add it to your website here. So you can use this code here. So this code, we are going to go to our website and add it to it. So let me show you how to add this code here. So let's go to our website. So I am in our website here. So I want to go to appearance and go to Theme File Editor. Click that. So you want to look for header PHP. Header PHP. Now you want to make sure that you know how. If you don't know how to do this, you may break your website. To go to after header, you put space, you add space, then add the code there, then upload the file. That is it. That's how you do it. That is the first. But if you don't know how to add the HTML code, concept to add the code to your website, plugins, and install this plugin here. I've already installed a plugin, header and footer. header footer code manager. This plugin will help you to insert the code. Okay. To add, let's go to your plugins area and go up, scroll up, add, go to add name. So you want to write header footer. There are many of them. Just you can use this. This is the one that I'm using right now. You can also use this header footer. All of them are. You can also use this. All of them are the same. Okay. So I've already downloaded this code here, this plugin here. So let's go. Let's go back to our plugin. So let's go back to our plugins. So you scroll up, add name snippet. So we want to name the name of our snippet Google Analytics. Cool. Then you scroll down and you add the code. Yeah. And save. That is how you do it. That is the second step. If you go to the analytics now, we can track the website right away. Let's go to report. Let's go to report. Return report. Let's check out the return report and see whether the code is in there. As you can see, the code is in there. So now you can track. As you can see, I'm in Italy. This is me right there. So as you can see, the code is in there. That's how you do it. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Let me know guys what you like and what you don't like about this video. So that's how you do it. As you can see right now, you can view the performance of your website. I'm from Rome, and you can see me right there. So that's how you do it. We've come to the end of this tutorial guys. So let me know, leave your comment down, let me know if you like this video, let me know what you don't like. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.